Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to check archived chats on Telegram. Now this goes for PC and mobile. So once you're in your Telegram and you want to check archived, if you actually have archived messages or chats or even like groups, this is going to show up. So at the top, it says archived chats, right? If you don't have anything archived, this will not show up. So again, this is only going to work if you've archived chats before. If not, then you're not going to see it. So how do we check it? Just click on it. You're gonna see it's gonna be like your main like dashboard here, but it's going to be the chats that you have archived. As you can see here, these are chats that I've archived in the past, and yeah, that's how you see it. It's the same thing for your desktop. This is a desktop version or laptop, same thing. If you're gonna use the browser, it's going to look the same way. If you're gonna use your mobile phone, what you're gonna see is pretty much just this, right? This is what you're gonna see. But it's the same thing, right? You're gonna see the archive chat option at the top of your screen, and after that, just click on it. You're gonna see it. And yeah, pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.